Hello, welcome to Michelle's Home Cooking. I'm Michelle. The third recipe I'm sharing with you guys is my recipe for my dessert spice blend. I created this recipe in inspiration of my grandmother, Miss Bell. She makes the best sweet potato pies. And her peach cobbler, baby, is to die for. And a bread pudding, divine. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Before we get started, let's go over the ingredients to make this dessert spice blend. To make this dessert spice blend, you will need some cinnamon, some nutmeg, some allspice, and some cloves. Now on this wax sheet of paper, you're going to combine all your ingredients. Now, on this wax sheet of paper, you're going to combine all your ingredients, and with this whisk, we want to gently mix the spices together. Now, these are all the spices my grandmother used to spice her candy yams, her carrot cakes, and her sweet potato pies. This is a good spice blend for all your baking needs. So if you're in the mood for some juicy peach cobbler, some spice cookies, cakes, and pies, lock this in. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot of great recipes I want to share with you. You want to make sure you break up the lumps and clumps too, because you don't want a clump of cinnamon or a clump of nutmeg or a clump of cloves. You want this mixed together smoothly. Okay. There we go. All right, that looks good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to this bowl. And don't forget to label your dessert spice blend so you'll know exactly what it is, because we're going to save this for later. Now, to get this recipe, head over to michelleshomecooking.com, and if you haven't already done so, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Coming up next, my holiday punch. See you soon.